ट्यूमर्स ग्रो हो रहे कि भाई वो है ही नहीं वहाँ पे, तो अगर तो उससे कनेक्शन पूरा ही खत्म हो गया। इसमें टेम्पररी खत्म हुआ है, स्विच है, उसको ऑन ऑफ
Deep
किया जा
sleep में।
सकता है। नहीं, जब हाँ डीप स्लीप में स्विच ऑफ हुआ है और वो डेथ में कनेक्शन टूट गया, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहीं और चली गई और
Yeah, that's what they say when you sleep also it's like a mini death. That's what.
It is, yeah, every
Yeah.
day we
yeah
die.
and that's why they say that सृष्टि में वो तीन चीज बोली है ना, they call it creation and preserving and then destruction. So they say every day that happens to us
There
because
was
we have created this world and फिर लय हो जाता है, we are kind of and
no,
then
even our own body summon centers in WhatsApp. Every cells are dying every day and
Yeah.
renewing.
Of course,
They're saying you are
Exactly.
generating a heart every 20 years or kidney every 15 years.
Yes.
You know, because new cells
So
are
you
being
cannot say
produced.
you have the same disease. It's
Yeah.
different.
yes, it's a continuous flow.
Evolving.
Yes, yeah.
That's why they know that
That's why they
uh,
say even in heart, if you don't do the bypass, the body has the capacity to
yeah.
get
Oh, yeah.
the thing arteries.
The
and
body has the
blood has to
now they are thinking of
generate new arteries. Yeah.
cancer also. They think that it's a part of the immune system now.
Yeah, yeah.
You can reverse it by
I got
immune
the
system.
whole thing in Bangalore where they have got different medicines for the different kind of cancer in Bangalore.
No, the same haldi only. Curcumin is haldi only. That is what it is. Yeah.
That's what my husband had done research.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, haldi has curcumin. in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a concentrated part.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The essence of
it's
it.
about 8% of the entire haldi is curcumin. Okay, so that's what this was. So let's go to our next one now. That number 6. So let's do the Manju. You wanna start, or you like to do the Sanskrit one?
Oh, the sixth one.
Maybe we should just say the verse first and then go. Yeah. So let's
Esha
say
Sarveshwar,
Esha Sarveshwar,
Esha Sarvagya.
Esha Sarvagya.
Oh, you start, no?
And it will break up the sandhi, it will be easy. Esha Yoni hi Sarvasya. That's what it is, the next one.
Prabha Vyavyo.
Yoni hi Sarvasya
Prabha Apavayo.
Prabhava Apyayo. Yeah.
Apyayo.
Hi Bhutanam.
Oh my God. What a
Of all beings.
So now,
Esha means this one. Sarvesha means is the ruler of all. Oh, Sarva Ishwar.
Ishwara, exactly.
Sarva Ishwar.
See how
Sarvesha
you
is the
can
ruler
get
of all. Yeah.
connected now when you see this?
Yeah.
Now?
So this one is the Sarva Ishwar, is the ruler of all. Esha Sarvagya. And he's this is omniscient.
Sarvagya is omniscient.
Omniscient. That means he's present everywhere.
Exactly.
Sarvagya.
Antaryami.
Esha Antaryami. He is the knower
All
of all.
knower.
All knower. Antaryami.
Antaryami, this is the inner controller, I think.
Oh, controller or knower, whatever.
Same thing. Yeah.
In a controller. Esha Yoni. This is the source. Oh,
You know, yoni इसको भी बोलते हैं,
Yeah.
womb को भी बोलते हैं yoni.
इसको बोलते हैं?
Womb, अपना womb. योनि बोलते हैं उसको, तो उससे वहां जहाँ से निकलता है सब कुछ. हाँ.
So that is the source. Sarvasya of all. Esha Yoni. Sarvasya Prabha Apvayo. Origin and dissolution. Oh.
Prabhav is origin.
Prabhav means coming out. Oh.
Apya is
Apavayo means the dissolution.
हाँ.
हाँ. And Bhutanam of all beings. Verily. He is the Bhutanam of all beings. What does this mean, Bhutanam?
So भूत जो है ना, जो हम लोग को लगता है कि भूत वो वाला भूत है जो मूवीज में
Ghost.
डराता है ना,
हाँ, ghost.
मगर यहाँ पर पंच भूत जो है ना, वो 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं.
Oh, yeah, that's also.
सो व्हेन से भूतानी मीन जो मनुष्य 5 उससे बना हुआ है, तो हम सभी भूत ही हैं वैसे. मगर ये
Illusion ही है ना,
हाँ.
भूत illusion है.
Yeah. But then Vedanta, when they say bhoot, it means that
Yeah,
elements.
this one guy, what's his name? Sadhguru, he says we're all made of mud. We have to go back to the earth.
Earth only, yes, yeah,
So,
yeah. And whether you are a Christian or whoever, their body also they just bury it and goes back to earth.
Yeah.
अपना वो 5
Burn
लय हो
करके.
जाता है तुरंत, and वो dust उसमें चली जाती है. So it's either way, it's gone.
but these people, Iranians, I mean the Parsis, they give it to the animals, the birds.
Oh, vulture.
Yeah, vultures come and eat it up because they
Yeah.
think that उनका philosophy है कि भाई किसी को तो काम आएगा.
Okay.
Yeah.
They don't want to waste
And
the body. Also.
yeah, और अपना थोड़ा साइंटिफिक है कि कोई किसी भी तरह से मरेगा तो उसका फिर उसका इन्फेक्शन विक्शन सब बर्न हो जाता है. अदरवाइज टू मी वो बॉडी पड़ी सड़ रही है, दैट इट्स अ बैड फीलिंग. I don't know. I'm just telling you
No,
personally.
no, ours is
No,
pure
ours
and
in
fresh
India,
flour.
we don't
So
even
see
keep the
that-
body for more than
Exactly.
a day, you know. But in the
But you know
Chinese
why
and all
also?
that, they preserve, they remove all the blood and then they put wax and they keep the body for 13 days.
Who?
The Chinese.
Oh.
Because in Singapore, we did that for to my mother-in-law.
In Egypt, they used to.
Because
Mummy.
you have to,
Mummy,
I have to wait for
keep
my
it
husband.
the-
Yeah.
for
Because
the-
they thought
And
कि
so,
वो
and
वापस
without
आएगा.
ice, then you can keep the body without ice. Yeah.
I think that one thing we should do in our group is we should say one person talks and other listen. we all talk. We are so enthusiastic
Yeah.
because we want to hear everybody's opinion.
So this is the Lord of all. This is the knower of all. This is the inner controller. This is the source of all. And that is that from which all things originate and in which they finally dissolve themselves. Continuing the explanation of the state of consciousness in the deep state, the rishis of the Upanishad are giving us one more extra mantra. Probably the master understands that it's very difficult for an ordinary man to get in himself sufficient detachment from his own ego, to become aware of his condition in the deep sleep state. It is indeed very easy to understand the personality that we are in the waking state. Yeah, it's very easy to understand. It is difficult for an ordinary man to understand the dreamer in him. And yet it is possible, though with very little bit of conscious effort, to grasp this personality. But it indeed is very difficult for an ordinary man to understand the sleeper in him, the ego at the time of sleep, because to all of us, knowledge is only in terms of the reports which we receive through the sense organs.
So let's just make sure that we understand what this is.
What he's trying to say is the God knows everything, and He is the originator of all souls and all that. And we human beings, I think we can only understand our waking state, and little bit. None of us even know why we dream and what we are dreaming. So we try to understand little bit dream state, but deep state none of us understand.
It's
I
a
think
lot
that's
more
what-
difficult. Yeah, he said that's why he said that it is difficult. He didn't say you will not know at all, but that's why exactly what we are doing. We are trying to learn it, what it is.
What is the
but
deep state?
like in the ordinary life, if we didn't go through this, we really never contemplate upon what is
Yeah.
deep sleep.
Yeah,
सो
you
लिया
don't
अच्छा
know
लग गया
what-
बस हो गया अच्छा छुट्टी क्या है कहाँ से आया क्यों है वो सब हम कहाँ सोचते हैं और इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट किसी को तुम बोलोगे भी दैट्स व्हाई से यू डोंट हैव सफिशिएंट डिटैचमेंट to even sit and think about it. They will say, oh, forget it, why do I need to bother about it or something. It's a lot more difficult. So anyway,
You want to read Manju?
yeah,
Yeah.
you can do it.
Deep sleep is a condition in which neither the organs of knowledge function nor the knowledge acts. At such a moment, when we are in the world of our own, where none of our own instruments of knowledge is available for our experience, we seem to be generally in a strange realm, unknown and unknowable. Thus, out of the sheer compassion for the disciple, the Upanishad Rishi has given us one more mantra in describing the
Prajna is the state, yeah. So we'll read one more.
The awareness in deep sleep state we have already found is a homogeneous mass of pure consciousness, illuminating nothing in a particular except in one single idea: I do not know. This state of affairs is described in Vedanta as avidya, and hence the Vedantins say it is in their language that in the deep sleep state the self is identifying itself with causal body
Causal body actually.
or avidya.
Let's stop here. Okay, this is a little bit heavy, so let's clarify everything.
So what is mantra means? This is the mantra he's giving us.
Yeah, what he was talking about is that when he was talked about the waking state, he gave one mantra. Remember, 12 mantras are there. And then for the dreaming state, he gave one mantra. For deep sleep, this is the second mantra he's giving. And the reason they are saying because it's the most difficult state to understand. That's why he's saying.
So 5 and 6 are the deep state.
Yes. So far, exactly. So here he's saying that how the knowledge of the organs of knowledge do not function, neither the organ of knowledge nor the knowledge acts. So अपने वो सब switch off हो गया है, तो मन का switch ही off हो गया, तो इंद्रियां तो उसकी servants हैं मन की, तो वो सारी off हो गई और हम act भी नहीं कर रहे, body भी नहीं है.
Yeah.
So that's why that state is
And whatever is known to us, we cannot have access to it because
exactly. It's a strange realm, it said, unknown and unknowable. Because think about it. Can we remember at what exact moment we went to sleep? We don't. Think about it. We don't know when we slip into it. Do you guys identify what I'm saying?
Yeah.
जब हम लोग सोने को जाते हैं,
No, the body, I don't know what.
You just you
you don't know.
You slip
Sometimes
into
you
it.
get into a deep sleep in 5 minutes, and sometimes it might take you 2 hours to get into the deep
yeah.
sleep.
But the exact moment when you slip into it, when we do, we don't know.
Yeah. That is a secret.
Yes, so it's a very unknowable, बड़ा secret सी जगह है वो, वही ना,
Mysterious.
mysterious, वही वो बोल रहा है कि बड़ी वहाँ पर हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं है. But now it's explaining in the best way it can that homogeneous mass of consciousness, illuminating nothing in particular. So the example I was giving is, like the sun is there, but if it's a dark corner, then it's not illuminating anything. Or my eyes cannot see anything.
Sun is there, but eclipse is there.
Yeah, but actually eclipse भी एक ढका है उसको.
हाँ.
अगर cloud भी आ जाता है, तो dark हो जाता है, then visibility
Sun
becomes
तो
less.
कभी जाता नहीं है. Sun वहाँ का है.
I'm saying the sun is there, na? Even in eclipse, something comes over.
Yes. Yeah, you are right.
The
So that's
moon will
what
come or the earth will come.
So same way, think about
Cover it.
consciousness. Consciousness is always there. It's just that at that moment, nothing is there to illuminate because switch is off. Capacity है उसको illuminate करने की, मगर switch off है. Power cut हो गया. So then, except a single
तो आपकी
idea.
आंखें बंद है ना, so when you're deep sleep, your eyes are closed. तो
No,
क्या
wait,
illuminate होगा?
dear. कि हम लोग जब ड्रीम देखते हैं तो आंखें बंद होती हैं, तो भी हम ड्रीम देख रहे हैं. See, those are very technical things that we need to चिंतन upon.
That's a good one, you know.
Yeah. So आंखें सिर्फ आंखों से दिखाई नहीं देता, मन से भी दिखता है.
Yeah.
अगर मैं आपको बोलूं अभी कि एप्पल मैंने बोल दिया तो सब तुरंत एप्पल का पिक्चर सबके दिमाग में आ जाता है.
Correct.
See, blind people also dream.
Yeah.
Yes. So but what it is saying is that in deep sleep वो मन की आंखें भी बंद हो गई हैं.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it is saying.
Mind is closed.
मन की आंखें भी बंद हो गई. So अच्छा. Except a single idea, I do not know. So I don't know if you guys have heard this word avidya. They say a lot in Vedanta. Avidya.
I thought Vidya was knowledge.
Yes,
Yeah.
avidya means not knowing.
Not knowing.
Ignorance.
I do not
and
know.
ignorance of the truth.
Yeah.
Ignorance of the truth. So that right. So what it is, they believe that ये पूरा संसार ignorance of the truth की वजह से चलता है. अगर हम सबको पता चल गया ना कि ये
अपना God is over.
God is on, हम सब कुछ साधु बन जाएंगे सब.
Yeah, we will not have any relationship.
Like there would be no Middle East fighting.
No, really साधु नहीं बनेंगे. It happened like they say in Puranas. They say कि ब्रह्मा जी को दिया उन्होंने जॉब कि जाके सृष्टि क्रिएट करो.
Yeah, आगे
Right?
जो.
तो उन्होंने सृष्टि क्रिएट की तो पहले 7 ऋषि बनाए. अब वो 7 ऋषि जो है ना बैठ के मेडिटेट कर रहे हैं.
तो सृष्टि कैसे आ गया?
तो बोला है इनको तो कोई विमेन चाहिए भाई. They are not going to be doing anything.
Yeah.
So फिर उनमें वो कामदेव ये सब लाना पड़ा उसको because that's why सृष्टि चलती है विद्या से. नहीं तो
विद्या से, हाँ.
सॉरी विद्या से.
सब अपने इतने मस्त होंगे
Yeah, correct.
कि वो चलेगी नहीं.
तो वो तो बैठ के मेडिटेट ही करते रहेंगे. फिर then they will not do
So it will
anything.
be just
So
bliss.
so this avidya over here is explained because that's another experience we have. I don't know.
Same thing in Jesus Christ also बोलते हैं ना, they bit the apple is the same thing.
Yes.
Men and women were also created, but still they were not doing
Doing anything. So then they चलो जाके.
एक serpent
हाँ.
आया इनको mind pollute
Exactly.
करा.
Just a metaphor.
हाँ.
Garden of Eden में जाके
Yeah.
एप्पल खाया फिर उनका शुरू हो गया. हाँ.
हाँ.
So Vedantists say in the deep sleep say the self is identifying itself with the causal body of avidya. Causal means कोई चीज जो जिसके कारण आगे बढ़ती है, right? Cause. What is the cause of it? So that's why I was saying the cause of sansar is avidya. It's maybe a little technical, but
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा समझ में आया, right?
Correct.
कि ignorance की वजह से दुनिया चलती है. That's what it's saying. Okay. Shirin, you want to sleep?
In
I
this
mean,
deep sleep state, the consciousness in us all gathers together, illuminating nothing in particular except a condition of continuous negativity as described here by the master with the term the Lord of all.
Sarveshwar.
Sarveshwara.
Sarvesh,
Sarva Ishwara.
Sarva,
See, you're getting better at Sanskrit.
Sarva, but how do you pronounce?
Ishwara. Ishwar means God. Sarva means
How
all.
do you pronounce?
Sarveshwara.
Sarveshwara.
Sarveshwara, I don't know.
Yeah, you got it,
In
Sarveshwara.
fact, it is the Lord of all, because if this consciousness were not there, none of us could have been vital, sentient beings that we are.
So why it is saying that it is Sarveshwar? Because the source, if we understand the source of everything is that consciousness. So even in the deep sleep state, I don't know, all that is true, avidya is there, but consciousness is very much there. Otherwise, हम उठ ही नहीं सकेंगे. That connection of the खाली switch off है, consciousness is still there.
Yeah, if this consciousness was not there, then none of us would have been vital
Sentient
beings.
being. So जो लोग हम लोग 8 घंटा सो के, yeah, in some cases, I sleep only like 5 to 6 hours. So 5 to whatever 8 hours that we sleep, you know, we are waking up. So we have to understand the consciousness is still there, and that is the source of everything. That's why I'm saying Sarveshwar. It's a Vedantic way of saying it.
Okay.
Hello, please
Hi.
come.
Some people sleep, have sleep,
I made it.
deep sleep longer than
would you-
others.
Yeah.
They get
Our
healed.
companies for a
Joe,
longer
would you
time.
like
I
a
don't
chair
know
over
whether
there? Then
it's
all
good or
can
bad.
see you.
Huh?
Would you like a chair over there?
Yeah, that's
I have a
good.
good chair for you.
Shall I pick it up?
No, I'll bring it.
Okay.
No, you can roll it. You can roll
The
it.
rolling one will be easier.
And it's comfortable also that.
So to recap, we were just doing the dream state.
Huh?
We were just
No, deep
talking
sleep.
about deep sleep.
You guys are recording, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we started recording. Yes, hopefully she started
Then you
it.
can mail me the
Huh.
Yeah.
recording, but I can set up my own.
Okay.
So we were just reading about the
Deep
characteristics of deep sleep now, what it is. So everybody kind of understood that Lord
Yeah.
of all क्यों बोला उन्होंने?
Yeah. It's avidya and then the knower of all. Yeah.
So okay, I'll read
And there's
the next
consciousness
one.
present in the deep sleep. That's
Yes,
what-
consciousness is there. In the
Though it's not eliminating anything. So that's what I said.
Similarly, consciousness is also described as the knower of all because the knowledge of the waking state world or the dream state world or even the deep sleep state would not have been ours but for the fact that the illuminating principle. This divine spark of life, this pure light was ever vibrant within us. The expression that he is the controller within is amply self-evident. So now he's telling you why the terms are used. You know, one was Sarveshwar term he used in the shloka, and the other one was the knower of all, because
Lord of
उसी
all.
में वो पावर है, उस स्पार्क ऑफ लाइफ में ही वो पावर है कि वो हमको ड्रीम भी दिखा सके और दुनिया भी दिखाए. So इसके लिए at that state it's a knower of all. I'll read one more paragraph and then we can.
Yeah, and without this
rotate.
light, we cannot even see the known world.
Yes.
If the light is not there, we cannot even see the existing world.
We won't survive. without
Yeah.
Yeah, without the
Yeah.
light, you can't see anything.
The consciousness in us is certainly the womb of all things because if consciousness were not in us, neither the sun, nor the moon, nor the stars, nor the entire world of objects, nor the world of idea would have been existent. They have a look of existence only with reference to our capacity to be aware of them. To say man has got a pair of horns, but only that we are not aware of them, is equivalent to saying that the man has no horns or human horns are non-existent. If consciousness is not in us, the entire world of object would be as non-existent as the pair of horns on any one of us. So here is telling something very important कि जो हम sentient being बोलते हैं ना, हम aware हैं. You know, it's like somebody was saying that I am aware that I have a watch. The watch is not aware of me. I have the capability that's coming from the consciousness.
But we are sentient.
Yeah, and if just imagine this world. If that consciousness was not aware, तो फिर बेकार ही हो गया ना world. कुछ भी हो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? उसका एक purpose हो गया. Am I making sense?
क्या पर्पस हो गया?
That you are experiencing, you are enjoying it. You are,
And you
it's like a game. हम लोग क्यों जाते हैं गेम देखने के लिए? हम लोग क्यों जाते हैं वेकेशन पे?
या मूवी देखने, या
कुछ भी करने के लिए हम क्यों जाते हैं? It's for our
Enjoyment.
enjoyment.
These
Huh.
mad
So-
people,
Huh?
these mad people, they are not conscious, right? So
That's true. That वो उनका देखो कितनी दुख की बात हम सोचते हैं ना कि वो दिमाग होते हुए भी they are not aware of the right things. वो delusion में रहते हैं. And वेदांती तो बोलेंगे कि हम भी delusion में ही हैं.
dementia is also another.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, dementia is nothing but your instrument is like a TV, okay? The electricity is there.
Cross
But
connection हो गया.
नहीं, because but the TV is malfunctioning. तो तुम्हारा instrument ठीक नहीं है.
अच्छा.
Consciousness में कभी electricity में कभी गड़बड़ होता है? Think about it.
Electricity में नहीं होता है.
Exactly. वह consciousness में कभी हो ही नहीं सकता गड़बड़, because consciousness is pure. Consciousness is
it's a
death
gross
नहीं होता.
body that is not receiving
Yes.
the signals
So
properly.
जो हमारा इंस्ट्रूमेंट खराब हो गया तो उसके थ्रू जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जा रही है तो वो माल फंक्शन हो रहा है. So when your mind is not working properly, your body is not working properly, that's what.
Mad people.
Yeah.
The examples of
Mad people और हमारी टांग टूट गई, मैं ठीक से चल नहीं पा रही
even
हूँ.
in the
but that is
computer,
not
like the
using
hardware,
consciousness.
the hardware is not correct.
Oh, you're talking about being aware of things. Yes. Okay. In that context, you're right. And then the avidya is when I'm not aware in the right manner,
which means
avidya, meaning.
Avidya
you know-
means that God is the knower of we don't know your original, that is the avidya.
No, suppose even in the sansar, okay.
That is avidya.
Because okay, let me bring one point here. Maybe that will clarify some things. That consciousness is always there, and they compare in consciousness to a sun. Sun is there.
yeah.
Now let's see how it reflects everywhere. Suppose you have mirrors in your house, right? Suppose one mirror is right here, but there's a dust on the mirror. Now when the reflection will happen of the sun, it will be, what will be the reflection? Will it be pure reflection?
No, it will be
Yeah.
little bit.
Suppose the dust
Distorted.
will get thicker and thicker.
Then it will disappear.
One time it will disappear. Now compare that to our own mind. The consciousness is reflecting through our mind. If our mind is pure, has no वो जो काम क्रोध लोभ मोह कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे में, एकदम वो स्थित प्रज्ञ का माइंड है हमारा.
So we have layers of dust in a consciousness.
All of
which we
us
have to remove.
In our mind, not conscious, अपने mind में है.
माइंड में है.
Consciousness is pure.
Consciousness is
हाँ
pure.
हाँ.
That is pure
that
light.
example to me is the
Consciousness
best.
is pure light.
Yeah, the reflection of the mirror in glass is the light.
तो सन में कभी खोट नहीं हो सकता, रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं हो सकता है. तो हमारा भी सभी का वही हाल है कि भाई रिफ्लेक्शन हमारा गड़बड़ है बिकॉज
Can
ऑफ
you
द
call
माइंड.
me back? I have little more.
But I think in this paragraph, the main point was that awareness is such an important thing that when I'm aware of things, then I'm alive. I
Yeah.
can enjoy, I can experience, I can do all those things. You know, and that capacity is coming from consciousness.
Sorry, I have to take this
No, no.
call
No,
because
that's okay.
it's from my system.
Okay, so any other question about this or should we move forward?
Yeah, you can move forward.
Okay, so how are we going? चक्की कैसे
Shireen.
चल रही है? Shireen का turn.
No, you did it, no? You did it, the Raj
Did you want to read, Joe? I
Yeah,
can give you
Sure,
the book.
why are you
Yeah.
skipping him altogether?
No, I don't want to skip anyone. आपके
When this conscious principle is projected.
When this consciousness principle is projected out through the mind and intellect and through the sense organs, then it expresses itself in the awareness of the world of objects and the world of ideas and thoughts. Remove this principle of awareness or consciousness from a particular body, that body will no more eliminate for itself the ideas of this outside world. Thus we can say not only in the scripture language but as a scientific truth that the world outside the world within and world within rise up from the pure consciousness, exist in this consciousness and shall, when the consciousness is withdrawn, merge back into the consciousness itself.
one more paragraph. Explain.
When a pencil of sunlight is made to pass through a prism, we find it emerging out, dispersing into the colors of the ray. The 7 colors of the light seen in the band, all emerging from the light and has penetrated the prism. They existed in that light and they shall all merge back again into the light. This dispersal of the one pencil into 7 colors is only due to mischief of the prism, which obstructed and transformed the real direction of the light.
One more paragraph.
Similarly, when the consciousness is in us is projected forth through the prism of the mind and intellect, we seem to acquire state and the deep sleep state of experience.
Oh, wait, ये क्या हुआ? We acquire
To acquire knowledge.
Knowledge of plurality.
skip to one page. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
it's okay.
Prism of the mind, we seem to acquire a knowledge of the plurality of the world. Yeah. Okay. This is the theory of Vedanta. If by process of spiritual technique we can transcend the equipment of the mind and the intellect, the awareness projected forth from us shall merge with the consciousness that is ever present around and about us, and we shall come to realize the all-pervading reality in the names and forms. The idea is very significantly hinted in this mantra. Brahis Prajno Vibhur Visvo.
No,
No,
wait,
we're not
wait,
doing
wait.
that.
We are not doing that yet.
Yeah,
we are
we're
first. We're going to
understanding.
understand. This is pretty heavy stuff
Yeah,
here.
pretty heavy stuff. So he's getting to the fourth state, I guess. No?
No, we're talking about the deep state.
No, I know.
So, but deep state में उन्होंने ये कहा है कि भाई consciousness तो रहती है वहाँ पे.
It helps, yeah.
Yeah, but उसमें ना I don't know वाला होता है. If we don't know anything, it's the most difficult state.
Right.
Because waking state is the easiest for everybody to understand. Dream में थोड़ा सा confusion है कि भाई क्या है. और deep sleep तो बहुत ही difficult state है.
Right.
So this Upanishad trying to put light upon what is the deep state. So the main point what we try to understand is that consciousness is still there at that stage.
Yeah.
We're all merging in that consciousness.
Yes. And this whole thing that you just read, that it's saying that the consciousness was projected out through mind and intellect. That's why I was telling you that example of that sun I was giving. Because they say that in human being, mind and intellect say it's a medium through which the consciousness reflects.
Yeah.
That's why हम बोलते हैं किसी का pure mind है तो बोलते हैं oh God, that person is like God. बोलते हैं ना हम like we get so attracted to people who
Yeah.
don't have this.
So in the way I was reading it about this, the soul is actually the control of everything. Whatever we are doing, the soul is experiencing everything, and whatever we are seeing, also the soul is experiencing through our mind and our body and everything. So that's what.
Yeah,
it is.
I mean, ultimately consciousness is a one. That's why they say कि हम सिर्फ एक instrument है. Remember, it's like we are just the instrument. But each one of us have the capacity to experience the sun or the consciousness fully. Just like if you have a mirror which is completely clear, the sun will look as though it's another sun. And the same way, we all have capacity, but हमारे mind में बहुत कूड़ा कचरा भरा हुआ है. So this is our sadhana. We are trying to understand and how to remove all those things and attachments and this and that with faltu ki stuff that don't in the end is gonna.
So many things to remove.
Well, that's why it was saying that if you meditate upon that, वो अपने आप remove होता जाता है. Remember we discussed that how to do it, because otherwise we'll get overwhelmed.
And they've given the example of the.
And now it's saying that sometimes somebody will say that how does that happen? So then it's giving the example कि एक sun की beam है, उसमें तो वो सफेद ही होती है, लेकिन जब उसको prism के through डालते हैं, तो वो 7 रंगों में.
Yeah, or we see the rainbow also. 7
So
colors.
same way, consciousness तो एक ही है, लेकिन when it goes through the instrument of mind and when I recognize, now I recognize 1,000 things. And then when it merges back in the deep sleep again, it's just same consciousness.
Yes.
You have a little bit of
No,
confusion.
I don't have. That's
It
why
is a subtle
people-
subject.
That's why people, because all minds are different. I don't know whether I'm looking at that tree, whether you're seeing the same thing that I'm seeing.
Perfect, very good example.
Yeah.
Yes, because each one of us look at through our own eyes, our own vasanas they call it. जैसे कि this is a perfect example. हम लोग जब drive कर रहे थे ना उधर Houston से, तो my husband is a scientist, right? And I'm more like you, artist and all that. And my son, one of my son is an aerospace engineer. So when we saw all those mountains, मुझे लग रहा था कुछ जैसे ऋषिज बैठे हुए हैं, वो meditate कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
मेरे husband बोलते